counting the amount of times a Boolean goes from true to false in a column. I have a column in a data frame which is filled with Booleans, and I want to count how many times it changes from true to false. I can do this when I convert the Booleans to ones and zeros, then use df.diff and then divide that answer by 2. My expected outcome would be the amount of times false came up is 3.
You can perform a bitwise AND of the col1 with a mask indicating where changes occur in successive rows. Where the mask is obtained by comparing col1 with a shifted version of itself, pd.shift. For multiple columns, you can do exactly the same. Here I tested with a col2 identical to col1.
Notice that subtracting true, 1, from false, 0, in integer terms gives -1. To apply across a Boolean data frame, you can construct a series mapping label to count.
Just provide different idea.
My strategy was to find where the difference in one row to the next. Considering that trues are ones and falses are zeros, of course. Thus, col1.shift represents the delta value where a 1 is a shift from false to true, 0 no change, and -1 shift from true to false. After getting the value counts as addict of these 1, 0, -1 values, you can select for just the dash ones and get the number of times the df shifted to a false value from a true value. I hope this helped answer your question.
Less concise but perhaps a more readable approach would be
possible true is 1.